love it. This color, damage free, and it only cost me $10. I'm gonna share all the info with you right now. Now y'all know I'm all about the lock method because we keeps it moisturized over here. So make sure you use your leave-in, your curl cream of choice, and an oil. Okay, we're gonna pause it right here. You can wear gloves just in case you wanted to maintain the mess, but the stuff just really wash off with water. You can see that I parted a section of my hair, and I mean, some people put it from the scalp to the end, the root to the end, but I just wanted my tips colored a little bit. You know, this is my first time doing this and I didn't know how it was going to turn out, so you got to be safe. What's really cool about this wax is that it actually stretches your hair for you, and I've seen that most use this wax for wash and goes, but I wanted the definition of a twist out. I did play it safe. I did not apply a ton of the wax to my hair because I didn't know how it would turn out, but it is proven that the more wax you use, the brighter the color and the more it's going to stand out. So next time, I'm definitely going to get bold. I am finished with the twist out, just going over the ends again with a little more wax. But yeah, you guys, this is a style that you can rock this summer without damaging your hair with bleach, because this stuff washes out with water as soon as you want it to. So if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment or send me a message. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Stay tuned for just a few FYIs.